Welcome back, YouTubers. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos. Today we're going to cover something like the two witnesses, okay? And sometimes we are so used to thinking like everybody else, and we forget to understand how God thinks. We have to take things the way God thinks and think outside the box. Everybody's expecting two human form people to come back and that we could see. But this is not for us to see. This is for God to see. These witnesses have to be God's witnesses, not our witnesses. We're not supposed to see these. Only God. It's like when God looks in our heart. We have to live that, and God sees that. So my thoughts on the two witnesses is that God uses the same system over and over and over again. He's predictable. He's old-fashioned, except when he tells you the time, the day, the hour. Maybe that's not predictable, but you can get close. So what God has done in the past, and you can look at the Old Testament, and you can look at Jesus, is that he's used the law and the prophets. He's used the prophets to go and speak to the people, and he used the law. The prophets had to always bring back the people to the law. That's what the prophets would teach. And during this time of our lifetime, right now, this moment, there are more people preaching the law of God than at any time ever in the history of the world. The law is being taught to many. And in the New Testament, in chapter 12 of John, verse 48, he says that we're going to be judged by the law. We're going to be judged by the word, which is the law, which is the Ten Commandments. We're going to be judged by that. So at this moment, God has his prophets, his people that he has chosen out there. They're just, giving everybody the criteria that God wants. These are his witnesses. These people are his witnesses. They're not for us to see, but they are God's witness. They're for God to see. God's going to be looking from heaven, and he sees these people witnessing right now. And that's what God said that was going to happen. We're just looking in the wrong place. We're looking for the wrong things, but God knows what he's looking at. The witnessing is happening at this moment right now in the world. So that's what we need to be looking for, that those witnesses are happening, and it's happening right now. So if you'd like to comment, please share your thoughts. It's always welcome. Shalom.